Greg is literally asking me about our brisket. Oh my God. Working on it now. Welcome back to Cooking with Christa. We're doing a beef brisket today. And do this puppy. Angus beef brisket. It is like almost 2 pounds of pure meat. It's kosher. This thing is a big boy. All right, so let's get this going here. I need a pan. Greg told me to use this like deep pan. Yeah, okay. Put some oil, put some foil on it. Spray some oil. And then get all the seasonings. And what? I'm gonna wash my hands real fast. If you know me, I don't even think my friends know this. I think the only person who might know this about me is Greg because we eat dinner together so much, but I get obsessive about washing my hands when I'm working with meat because I don't love touching meat and it just like grosses me out a little bit. Not like necessarily grosses me out because I eat meat, but you know, just touching it kind of grosses me out. Okay, so I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna take this over there, over the sink, and then put it in this pan. All right. I'm nervous. This is my like least favorite part. Okay, I'm gonna move this over so you can see what I'm doing, even though I had the lighting and everything set up perfectly. Whatever. No big deal. Okay. Oh yeah, this is like not my favorite part. Eee! Just like it splatters and stuff. Am I such a baby about it? Probably. Ooh, oh my God. Okay, papa. Okay, papa. All right. All right, the rub. Oh, I'm gonna have to rub this on. Ah. Okay. Black pepper, salt, onion powder. So sometimes what we do is we have this onion salt. So I might do that since instead of doing onion powder and salt, we'll just use onion salt. Black pepper, smoked paprika, dry mustard, and then cayenne pepper. Is that how you say it? I don't really know. Cayenne pepper. I'm sure we have that. Maybe not. Are we out? No, there it is. I knew we had some. A little kick to it would be fun. Okay, so it's calling for an 8-pound brisket is for this, but we only have 2 pounds. Divide it in 4ths. Okay. Good. Okay, so this is a 4th teaspoon. Perfect. All right, so that goes for this bad boy. Oh, so Greg told me to mix this in a bowl and then like smear all together. Might be a little generous when it comes to the spices. Black pepper, so 6 teaspoons of black pepper. So I could literally do 6 of these. 1, 5, 1 more. 6. The thing that stinks about filming is that it's kind of quiet, and I always like to have music or like videos or something going on in the background. It's kind of quiet, so I can hear my thoughts. Okay, whatever. Smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon. 1 teaspoon. That's kind of 1 teaspoon, so I'll use this 1/4 guy. And And then half a teaspoon. This is optional, half a teaspoon. So if this is a fourth, I could do 2. Okay. But wait, yeah, that's right. Oh my God. You know when they say if you don't use it, you lose it? That really applies to a lot of things in life. I was just thinking that looked like a lot. And I think it was, well, oh well. Preheat the oven to 250. Ooh. Am I gonna touch the meat? I just don't know. So gross. All right, let's just sprinkle. All right, let's flip it over now. Oh my God, this thing. Ooh. I mean, is this what 2 pounds of muscle looks like? Like, dang. Wow, yeah, I really didn't think about that. Yeah, I think we got it. Now this says, cover it with foil and then baked covered. Remove the foil and bake for another hour. Oh my God, okay. So this is gonna be the little piece. I pull up. Oh. All right, so timer. So we'll do an hour and a half. That's crazy. So, cause that's as high as my timer goes on there. We'll check on it and then we'll do like another half hour. All right, good deal. Good deal. Ah, that's my finger. So Greg does know how much I don't like touching the meat, and he's concerned that it's not gonna be good. A little follow-up for the 4th teaspoon when it was calling for a half teaspoon. The recipe was also calling for an 8-pound brisket, and we only had a 2-pound brisket. So that's why I was really struggling. So I did go heavy on the spices. Okay, so it's actually not that spicy. It's 3 times what the recipe called for, but it's not that bad. Thank you for watching Cooking with Christa. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up and be sure to subscribe to my channel. Please let me know down in the comments if there's any recipes you would like to see for the future. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I hope to see you on the next one. See you soon. Bye.